Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So today I'm just going to show you guys something you can just use to land on your sixth and your la. Right, so yeah, I'm using this as my root. I actually tuned down my guitar half step down, right? So I'm using B now as my root, which is on the C shape, right? So don't get confused, right? So let me just play very slow. That is all, as simple as easy, right? So you see how it sounds, right? You see, right? So if you actually play it down here, right? So yes, so sounding kind of more nice, right? I think here it's even sounding more nicer, right? So let's say I'm using, yes, let's try it here. Yeah, so yeah, so what I'm playing here is la ti do, which is my 6, 7 and my 1. So the mi, I use my mi here, so la ti do mi. Alright, so I held it all together, so to both for both of them to ring at once. So right, so I'm not playing it differently, but I'm opening them so both of them should ring together, or will ring together. Right, so you see, so you can actually use either your middle finger for the fourth, your fat here, or you can just slide your index. So anyone that you're going to feel more comfortable with. You see how it's ringing, right? So I'm not playing differently, like I'm allowing it to ring, both of them, but with the do here and the fa here. So then I'm playing, right? That is fa mi re, right? I actually did a pull off there. Fa mi re mi do ti la, right? You get it, so you get it. So anyone that you're actually going to feel more comfortable with, just try it out. Try it very slow before you get your desired tempo. Yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you.